Mom, I'm scared to speak English.
Long sentences are not magic. They grow step by step. If your child feels shy speaking English, watch this. Lucas, you look upset. What happened today?
Mom, I tried to speak in English class, but I only said one small sentence.
What did you say?
I said, it was fun.
That's not wrong. That's just small.
Everyone else speaks long sentences. I don't know how.
What if I tell you there is a simple trick?
Really?
Yes, it's called the 5W expansion trick. Why? When? Where? With whom? How means how are you feeling? Whenever you say one small sentence, ask these 5 questions.
That's it?
That's it. Say one small sentence.
I was nervous.
Good. Now we grow it. Why? Why were you nervous?
Because I had to speak.
Edit.
I was nervous because I had to speak.
When? When did this happen?
Today.
Be specific.
Today during English class. I was nervous because I had to speak during English class today.
Where?
In front of the class.
Edit.
I was nervous because I had to speak during English class. Today in front of the class.
With whom?
In front of my classmates and my teacher.
How did you feel?
My hands were shaking.
Say everything slowly.
I was nervous during English class today because I had to speak in front of my classmates and my teacher, and my hands were shaking. Mom, that sounds so different.
Because now you told the whole story. Say something about today.
I felt embarrassed.
Let's grow it. Why?
Because I forgot my answer.
When?
After the teacher asked me a question.
Where?
In the classroom.
With whom?
In front of everyone.
How did you feel?
I wanted to disappear.
Now say it beautifully.
I felt embarrassed in the classroom after the teacher asked me a question. Because I forgot my answer. And I wanted to disappear in front of everyone.
That is not weak English. That is brave English. Now say something happy.
I was happy.
Why?
Because I answered one question correctly.
When?
At the end of class.
Where?
In English class.
With whom?
In front of my teacher and friends.
How did you feel?
I felt proud of myself.
Now say it all together.
I was happy at the end of English class because I answered one question correctly in front of my teacher and friends, and I felt proud of myself.
Let's practice with something simple. Say, I played.
I played.
Why?
Because I wanted to relax.
When?
After school.
Where?
In the park.
With whom?
With my best friend.
How?
I felt excited and free. I played in the park after school with my best friend because I wanted to relax. And I felt excited and free. Mom, I understand now. Small sentences are not the problem. I just didn't add details.
Exactly. English is not about big vocabulary. It's about answering questions clearly.
So whenever I speak, I just ask, why, when, where, with whom, how did I feel?
Yes.
That means I can always make my sentences longer.
Yes.
Even if I don't know difficult words,
Especially then.
I feel more confident now because I understand how to grow my sentences step by step. And I am not afraid of speaking anymore.
That's my brave boy.